okay, if you're familiar with the vlogs, you already know this car. This is our car, tour car. And let's say for example, like the last video tulienda Lukenya, and kwanzia then bado sijaiosha kwa sababu, well, I knew this video would come up, so you know, this is still Lukenya dust. Hiyo ni dust ya Lukenya. So so today nafanya ka product review. Kuna this zinaitwaje, this portable car wash machine. Ni car wash machine?
Yeah.
Car wash machine. So nafanya some sort of reviews. You can review or just product test. There is a lot of hype around it. Kila mtu siku hizi anasema kuna haja kwenda kwa car wash, nini and stuff. So yeah, today tuko na the products. Sorry, tuoneshe. You mind walking them through, eh?
Yeah, so hi guys.
Only by the way, kama mjui manze watch vlogs man.
Broker 24, shameless plug, like, share, subscribe.
Kama kawaida.
So this is a portable mobile car wash.
Washing machine, eh? Washing machine or car wash machine?
Car wash machine.
Yeah.
Car cleaning machine.
Si mnajua tu Kenya
tunasema.
Kitu ya kuosha gari.
Yeah, so this is the pump. Its voltage is 12 volts, so you basically just connect it to the cigarette lighter. If you're not a smoker and you ever wondered what you're gonna use that thing
the lighter for,
so this is one of the things you can use. Yeah, so it's sort of powerful. 130 psi.
Just to give you reference, the stock Subaru make.
Let's not get into the Subaru boys.
Okay.
So let me connect it and then we'll see how it goes.
Tuoneshe tu alafu
elements, what it has. It comes with one of the inlet pipes. This is a sinker, so to make sure that the filter just sinks in. It goes to the water. This runs back to the
pump, eh?
Yeah. And then this one, this one is the outlet pipe. So this one runs from the pump to the spring gun.
Msijali guys, tuna film home so. Yeah, so this igan iko na?
Yeah.
Igan.
Yeah, so igan we'll use to clean our car.
I think it sprays the water,
Yeah. So this is the cable that runs from your pump to the
cigarette lighter.
Yeah. So it just clips in here.
Like that. Quick. Tutaonesha.
Yeah, hizi ni kifuniko, and then hii ni clamp ya HKS. Ya ku make sure tuna boost leak. Anyway, this is where you clamp
the pipe,
the inlet pipe to the pump. So let's get started.
So guys, come kuona the last vlog tulienda Lukenya Hills, the 4x4 challenge. Na kama hujaona, please make sure umeona. So it was like just some few days ago. Hatujaosha gari bado. So the car is extremely dirty. Sijui kama mnaweza ona. Yeah. The glare of the sun. So the car is extremely dirty. So nilikuwa nataka leave it that way so that niwaonyeshe like a good example. Sijui kama naingia into frame. Yeah, if you don't know this car, manze, watch the vlogs. It's part of the crew. It's part of the Equinix and company. So so we are going to wash it to honor if all that hype about this machine iko sawa. Na kaa iko, I think the results will speak for itself. So I will do that. We will do that with Nani. So yeah, wacha tujue. So yeah, wacha tuchote maji. Oh, by the way, wacha tushikanishe kila kitu then tuoneshe how it, kinda works. So yeah, mshikilie hapo.
So guys, we're done connecting. So simple setup. One inlet pipe from the source of water, mostly a bucket or
mtungi.
Yeah. Or what's it called? A jerrycan.
Yeah.
Ama mtungi.
Mtungi manze tuko Kenya.
Yeah, so runs all the way, the inlet pipe runs all the way to the pump, then the outlet pipe connects to the gun, spring gun. Yeah. So let's test it.
Ngoja. I want to show them the whole connection.
Yeah.
So hiyo ndio the sinker yenye tulionesha, the sinker and sinker with the filter. Ndio. Hii pipe ikaenda all the way to the pump. If you can see it. So hiyo pipe imeingia hapo. So one side of the pump. na the other side ndio ina connect to the inaenda all the way to the gun, si ndio?
Yep.
And then pale kwa the 12 volts zenye ziko pale kwa gari ndio unaingiza ndani, and you make sure the car is on so that this thing is powered. Yeah. And wacha tuoneshe vile itakuwa
how it works.
How it works. So I think nitaweka time lapse. Nitaweka kwa time lapse tuone. First to spray down the car, ndio?
Yeah, we have to spray down to dust and then to pack sabuni. And then we rinse it out. Disclaimer, you cannot use soapy water with the machine because
watu wanatumia omo.
Either way, if you want, you can get those longer spraying guns so that you can push like your soap just on the what's it called, on this part, on that long
the nozzle, manze kaile nini pampered rides.
Pampered rides, shameless plugs.
Yeah. So wacha niwashe gari. Yeah, so unasikia, I don't know if you guys can hear. The thing is really whining.
So that means water has
reached the gun.
Yeah, in the
ukisikia imenyamaza.
Yeah. So now, water is in the whole system. So now, only thing that triggers it now is when you press the gun. So.
Ooh, that's a nice spray.
And then, as you can notice, the jet changes with the intensity of how hard you press it. Yeah. So let's dust it down.
Dust it down. So as you can see pale mbele, hapo mbele tumetoa some dust, and that's how the machine works. And sasa tunataka ku add some soap to it. This is inakuwa ile automotive soap. If you know automotive soap inakuwa liquid, na ikuagi na those agents zenye inaitwaje, zina scour the clear coat. Kuna watu wanatumia omo kuosha gari. Please, ukiona mtu anafanya hivyo, just more advice tu.
Omo ngarisha lakini si kila kitu.
You ngarisha lakini si kila kitu. Unapataka gari after some time imeparara. That's because of omo.
Na hiyo funny thing inaweza shikiwa failing to maintain parts of equipment of motor vehicle.
Laws, man. Laws. So sasa tunataka, I think tutawaput in our time lapse. This is soapy water. Kama mnaona kwa nini ni green, it's soapy water automotive soap. So tuko na ka brush in your tires.
Maguires.
So tunataka kufanya hivyo. Ray hata ni film nikifanya some hard work. So time lapse. We go. So guys, tumemaliza ku agitate, as you can see from the time lapse. Sasa tunaanza spray down. And another thing, hii cable ni refu sana. I mean, it's cable, the pipe. It's a really long. Imagine imetoka huko ndani ya gari all the way and he still has some distance to go. Anaweza ifanya hivyo. Nataka kuita kuosha. Pia tuko na guest mwingine huko. If you know her, say what's up pale kwa comment section. Na kurecord. Na kwanza na hiyo kofia rada. Ayai. Hiyo sound kai itatokea tu inaacha. Ongeni mbaya. Ongeni mbaya. Iza. Ndio. So majamaa, hizi ndio mats. Tunataka kuona kaa tutaweza zishainisha na the machine. Zikiweza kushainisha hizi zinaweza osha gari yote vizuri. Zinaweza osha hadi engine. Ni vile I think naweza weka ka snippet of how to wash an engine hapo. Na kuna vitu zenye So sasa tunataka kuona kazi zinaweza shainisha hizi mats na kazi zinaweza shainisha hii product iko fiti. So let's get to that. So guys, nimeagitate kidogo na with some soap and stuff. So nataka rinse and then tuache tukauke. As you can see, at least tunaona hii kitu itakuwa safi. Hakuna haja niwafiche. So nataka zikauke so that mpate good view. Nita take like photos. Na kanta kumbuka nitaweza kuweka hapo. Sijika engine wash tutaweza leo. Maybe nitashoot another video. If you guys want to know how to wash your engine at home, just let me know. Sawa. So and I'll do that video. Tutaingiza Reeboks afanye hii kazi yote tena. So watu wangu, chiki vile mali inakaa. So Are yuko huko bado anamalizia. But sigari iko safi. Some small stuff. Hakuna haja kwenda car wash, unalipishwa 500. And I think the machine inaweza kuja, unaweza buy some accessories with it, ile ya foam cannon. Ile ya unagaria nani? The foam cannon in which una spray tu. Nitaputa clip hapo ni onesha what a foam cannon is. So unaweza buy a foam cannon, spray that, uvuke hiyo process ya kusuguaga because foam you grab onto the dirt, inaivuta chini, so you just spray water. So we did this in less than how long? 30 minutes. Tumemaliza in how long? Like 30 minutes. 20, guess. Okay, so tumesikia ni 35. So that is something unaweza fanya at home. On Sunday unaweza fanya hivi badala ya kwenda kukaa kwa kao ulipishwe 500. Ama what do you think, guys? Ndio? Yeah. Okay. So ndo alikuwa guest wetu wa leo. Kwa nini mbaya? Si baya. And the camera is dying, guys. So I think the mat. Ebu weneoni vile mat inakaa. Mat ni safi bana. Mat ni safi. So hii machine, I think the results speak for themselves. This is actually themselves. Is themselves ama himself? The results speak for itself. So hiyo ndio hiyo. And it's a really nice product. if kuna mtu anataka kujua vile atapata hiyo machine, tutafute pale, niko na email pale kwa about this channel. Njue vile utapata hiyo machine, ni email, niulize how do I get that machine, and nitakuhook up. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. Yeah, so when I close out video is, unajisikia kusema kitu, like, share and subscribe pale Broker 24. He's broke but he's not 24. And yeah, he's not broke. Huyu ndio sponyo wetu manze, huyu. Hebu muangalie. Yeah, and yeah, like, subscribe on this channel. Yeah, so to get updated on new videos. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi.